Good afternoon, students. Let's start our lesson. Unit 2, Natural Disasters. Theme, Causes and the Consequences of Natural Disasters. Learning objectives of our lesson. Use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences and feelings. Use a variety of compound adjectives. Adjectives as participles, comparative structures indicating degree, and the intensifying adjectives on a wide range of familiar general and curricular topics. Use infinitive forms after an increased number of verbs and the adjectives. Use gerund forms after a variety of verbs and the prepositions. Use a variety of prepositional and the phrasal verb on a wide range of familiar, general and the curricular topics. Now, read the headlines and fill in. Close it down. Washes away. Running water. On the sea. Strikes. Force. Evacuated. Listen and check. See the headlines in your language. Okay, have you finished? Watch this video.
He has also told them to check on the safety of foreigners living here in Japan. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center has issued a tsunami warning not just for Japan, but also for Russia, Marcus Island, the Northern Marianas, Guam, Wake Island, and Taiwan. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center has issued a tsunami warning not just for Japan, where a tsunami has already struck, and you can see some of the damages so far in Miyagi Prefecture, northern Japan, and the Sendai area, but also for Russia, Marcus Island, the Northern Marianas, Guam, Wake Island, and Taiwan. For those of you who have just tuned in and living anywhere close to the coastal areas of Russia, Marcus Island, Northern Marianas, Guam, Wake Island, and Taiwan, please do not go near the waters. Move to higher ground as soon as possible. You're watching NHK World, and a major earthquake hit Japan Friday afternoon. This happened about an hour and 20 minutes ago. Japan's meteorological agency says the quake measured magnitude 8.4. The agency has issued a tsunami warning for Japan's Pacific coast. In northern Japan's Iwate Prefecture, tsunami waves of up to 4 meters were observed soon after the quake. The agency is warning that the tsunami could be between 6 and 10 meters. You're seeing some of the tsunami damage so far in Miyagi Prefecture, in the Sendai area, where some of the homes and farms have been flooded when the tsunami went upstream a river.
Okay, next task. Use the headlines the day the Earth moved and say what you think happened in Japan in March 2011. Read the text. Okay, let's continue. Exercise 3A. Read the text again, 5 sentences and missing. Match each sentence EF to a gap 1, 5. There is one extra sentence. Please, let's start. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Exercise 4. Match the highlighted words to their meanings. Holding on tightly. Panicked and frightened. Broken into small pieces. started. Incomplete. Unable to leave. Pieces of bricks. Stones and other materials. Very wet. Violently through. Well done. Good job. Thank you. Now grammar. Compound adjectives. A compound adjectives can be formed by many ways. Adjectives plus noun plus ed. For example, absent-minded, cool-headed. Adverb plus past participle. Well-known, highly respected. Adjectives or adverb plus present participle. Easygoing, good-looking. Next, exercise 5a. How do you form compound adjectives? Find, for example, of compound adjectives in the text. Okay, thank you. Next, B. Then use them to make sentence based on the text. Thank you very much. Well done. To infinitive for ing forms. Exercise 6. Put the verbs in brackets into the correct form. Check in the grammar reference section. Yes, it is right. Well done. Very good. Let's continue. Exercise 7. Put the verbs in brackets into the correct form. How do they differ in meaning? 1a. Don't forget stand under a doorframe during an earthquake. B. I'll never forget read about the firefighter who risked his life to save the students from a burning bus. Okay, continue. Yes. Have you finished? Let's continue. Exercise 8. Speaking and writing. Think. Listen and read the text. Imagine you're in Japan on the day of the earthquake and the tsunami in March 2011. Where are you? What did you see and hear? How did you feel? In a few minutes, write a few sentences. You can use the headlines in exercise 1a. Okay, thank you for your answers. Your homework will be in your workbook, home task, exercise 2 and 3 on page 11. Thank you for your attention. The lesson is over. Goodbye.